Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel. Today my name is Grace. I'm also known as Little Mama and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to start a print-on-demand business with no money. So let's get started right now. Alright guys, this video is going to be packed. I'm going to show you all the things about how to start a print-on-demand business with no money. Okay, so for those who don't know what print-on-demand is, I just want to explain a little bit what it is so that everybody's on the same page, because this is a new topic that I'm introducing for my channel here, and this is my debut video. So I want to explain to people who are already subscribed to my channel what print-on-demand is, okay? Because this is a very exciting business model that I want to get into myself. And so you're going to be learning along with me and maybe even earning along with me. So I hope my video series on print-on-demand will be very helpful for you, and that I'm going to be putting this in a playlist. So make sure you check out my print-on-demand playlist for all the videos that I'm going to be putting in there, okay? All right, so what is print-on-demand? A print-on-demand service gives you the ability to earn money by uploading graphic designs or just photos or images that you have on your phone. So you could take the graphic designs that you have, or the images or the photos, and you could put them on various products that these print-on-demand websites or companies will store and print and ship to your customers directly. So you don't even touch the product, you don't touch any of the production of the product process, you're not involved with that at all. So you have a company, a print-on-demand company, that will do all that for you. So this business model is like drop shipping, because the companies who print the products for you will ship them directly to your customers, but it's going to be better because the shipping time for these companies are way faster than drop shipping companies, because most people who drop ship uses AliExpress or Alibaba, which are from China, and the shipping on those is horrendous. So that's why I never wanted to get into that kind of drop shipping. But print on demand, on the other hand, there's company in the United States who will print these products and ship very quickly. So the turnaround time is way better for customers, and everybody will be happy like that, right? There's different ways to build a print-on-demand business. And so for this video, you're going to learn a few ways to start your print-on-demand business with no money, okay? So this is going to be exciting for those who want to get into this business. All right, so let's look at some benefits of a print-on-demand business, right? So there are no inventory. You don't have to buy any products ahead of time, and you don't have to order a bunch of minimum products to store at your place, you know, for you to sell. It is not like that. When you sell something, you connect to your print-on-demand service website, and then it all goes very fast. But it's one order at a time. You don't have to buy a bunch, okay? And then you don't have to touch anything, right? No printing, no customer service on certain platforms, okay? So because we're talking about building this business with no money, this is going to be platforms that don't require money, and so you're not building like your own website or your own online shop, okay? So I'm going to do a different video that if you want to build your own print-on-demand business on your own, with your own website, that's a whole different way to build a print-on-demand business, and I'm going to show you another way in a different video for that, okay? No products of your own, and you just designing. So this is a great business model because you're just doing design, you're not touching any inventory. So this is all digital, right? And then you could earn passive income because you could earn over and over again from one item, and you could earn any time of the day. So you could be earning in your sleep, because your stuff is going to be on the internet 24/7, and these websites sell all over the world, okay? And most don't need you to drive traffic to. So the websites I'm going to show you today will have a marketplace component, meaning that they already have customers going to their websites every single month. So you don't have to drive traffic if you don't want to, but it's probably advisable you do, because then you could get sales faster earlier in your game, right? So, but the biggest benefit is free to start, the way that I'm going to show you in this video. So the 3 best print-on-demand places to start with no money is Redbubble, Teespring, and Amazon merch. Okay, so Redbubble, just go redbubble.com. Teespring is teespring.com. Amazon merch is merch.amazon.com. I'm going to show you those 3 platforms right now. All right, before I start going into each of these platforms, I just want to mention that in future videos about print on demand, I'm going to be actually diving into each one of these to show you how to set up your account, and I'm going to show you how I would upload an image so that you can see how each of these platforms work. Okay, so this video, I'm just going to introduce the platforms, and so just you gotta wait for my other videos to show you how to set them up and get actually uploading images, and I'm going to show you all that in a future video. So right now on Redbubble, you can see up top here all the different products that they sell. You know, there's so many different products these days. It's amazing. So for the Redbubble, you would just click up here, sell your art. And so I'm just going to go over a brief overview for each one of these platforms, because this video is going to get really long otherwise if I dive deeper. But anyway, this is where you go to learn more about sell your art if you want to actually go check it out yourself in the meanwhile before waiting for my other videos. But this page explains to you how everything works and how pretty easy it is to get started here, okay? So that's Redbubble. And if I look at the age limit for Redbubble, it is 16, but don't be discouraged if you're 13 to 15, because all you gotta do is partner up with somebody who's 16 and over, who you trust, and that they will be responsible for that account that they create. But you'll have access to it, and you'll get to get your money. You know, hopefully this person that you partner with will be trustworthy and that you can get your money, okay? So maybe a parent would be best, right? So the next one is Teespring at teespring.com. And so for here, you could read about how it works up here and sell anything, sell everywhere. And you could start designing if you want to actually start your account without me and just go for it. So Teespring works a little bit different than the other ones that I'm going to show you, because Teespring, you do have to kind of promote your own designs and get some sales before Teespring will kick in their marketing and sell for you. So Redbubble is a marketplace already. So Redbubble, you don't need to promote your own products if you don't want to, okay? Because Redbubble is a marketplace. Once you upload, they already will be marketing your products for you. Teespring, you have to meet a certain level of sales first, and then they'll kick in their marketing, and then you don't have to market yourself. So it's just getting those initial sales that you're gonna need to work on before they market for you. Okay, so that is teespring.com. And then the last one is Merch by Amazon. Now, Merch by Amazon is going to be probably one of the best places to go to do your merch. I mean, to do your print on demand, because of the traffic that you can get from Amazon. But, you know, you do have to request an invitation, and you have to basically apply to Amazon to get your account approved. So because this program is so popular, they have to put this in here. Basically, they want to deter the ones who aren't that serious and just want to check it out, right? So they want to have an extra layer so that they only get people who are serious about building their business on Amazon. Okay, so this is one that I'm going to dive into as well, and I hope I'll be able to get an account. So I'm going to do another video about just applying for this account, so that you can see how I did it, and then see how long it takes for me to get my account approved. Okay, and I'll let you know everything like that. But for Amazon, again, because there's going to be contracts that need to agree to, you have to be 18. But again, if you're like 13 and up, 13 to 17, you can just partner up with an adult, and make sure it's somebody you trust, like your parents, so that you guys can do it together and get this process moving, and then let you manage the whole account, right? So don't get deterred because of the age thing. Okay, you can always get your parents behind you. So the last thing I want to mention is that I'm going to give you a bonus site here. So if you have a little bit of money, there is a site called Etsy, okay, where you can set up your account for free. But when you start listing your products, it does cost 20 cents each. So depending on how much money you have, you may want to use this or not. But Etsy is another place where they have a built-in marketplace, and a lot of people come on Etsy just to buy, and they are famous for handmade goods, but they also allow print on demand. So this is another platform that's going to be really great for you because there's a lot of traffic that goes on Etsy. Okay, but Etsy is another 18 years, but you can go on Etsy if you're 13. So again, you just need to partner up with somebody like your parents to open an account and make sure they're accountable for the account, but you basically run the whole thing, and hopefully your parents will give you the money that you have earned on there, okay? So this is how you can start your print-on-demand business with no money and start earning on these 4 different platforms. And so look out for my other videos. I'm going to dive deeper into each of those platforms. I'm going to set up accounts in them. So I hope you follow along, and maybe hopefully you will join me as well. So you never know what's going to happen. So I'm excited for this journey, and I hope you join me, okay? So I hope I'll see you on the next video. Bye.